In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your username on Instagram. So what you want to do is go to your profile, click Edit Profile, and go to right here where it says Username. And let's say I want to change this dot to an underscore. I can press done. And what it will do is it will save your old username for 14 days. So if, say, you change your username, now I've got the underscore, but I'm like, oh, actually, I don't really like that. I want to change it back. Then, for at least 14 days, for at max 14 days, you can change your username back without worrying about someone taking your username. So that is how you change your username on Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to help you out.